Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices. Install Unity with the Android or iOS module and confirm the phone has developer options enabled. Once done, turn on USB debugging and plug the phone into your PC using a good cable. In Unity, immediately switch the build platform to Android or iOS in build settings so Unity compiles the correct binaries. This reduces friction. Make sure the phone is unlocked when you connect, so the system can accept debugging and detect the device. Next, configure player settings. Set the bundle identifier, company name, and minimum SDK level compatible with your device. Make sure Unity knows where the Android SDK/NDK and JDK live in preferences or via Unity Hub so builds succeed. For Android, choose the Gradle build system, and when the phone prompts, accept the RSA fingerprint to allow debugging. If you prefer quick iteration, enable Unity Remote in Editor settings and pair it. Otherwise, prepare to run a full build and finally, perform a build and run so Unity compiles, signs, and installs the app on the phone. Monitor the Unity console for compile or runtime errors. Once installed, test input, sensors, and performance directly on device. If you need deeper logs, run a dblogcat to capture runtime output. If the phone is not detected, first re-enable USB debugging and reconnect. Then reinstall or update device drivers on your PC. That single driver, or USB permission fix, resolves most connection problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.